Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the ultimate place for you to live, look and feel your absolute best. And in today's video, I will be discussing a very interesting topic which I haven't seen many women talking about or really ever. But I thought, why not I share my views on that? And I am talking about men's skincare. So you don't have to be a man to talk about men's skincare, and I do believe that the basics are still the same. And if there are men out there who are struggling with their skincare and skin issues, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So I will be talking about some very useful tips which are going to change your skincare game forever. So without further delay, let's dive into the video. But before that, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Let's get started. If you're not taking care of your skin, it doesn't matter how good your clothes are or how designer your shoes are. Yes, clothing, accessories, all of that etiquette is very important when it comes to cultivating confidence and personal style, but grooming is equally important. When it comes to staying healthy, men love to talk about fitness, eating right, supplements, but they often neglect their skincare. Skin is the largest organ of the body. It is like a first line of defense, a barrier between our body and the outside world. So we need to be really taking care of our skin. Our skin protects us from germs, bacteria, filters the toxins out, and also regulates the body temperature, protects us from the harmful UV rays. Who said skincare is only limited to women? Men need to look after their skin too. Skincare is universal. And as compared to women, men's skin has more elastin and collagen, which means that the signs of aging appear a bit later in men compared to women. But men should still be taking care of the secretion of oil in their skin and maintain it, make it more healthy so that the aging process can be delayed further and they do not have any issues that they might be facing on a regular basis. So here are the top 5 basic skincare rules to live by that every man should invest his time in. Number 1 tip, it's time to go beyond the beard. Bumpy texture, razor burns, pimples, or ingrowth hair are most common issues that guys have when it comes to skincare, and shaving is one of the biggest culprit which adds to these issues. But with a proper skincare, these issues can easily be controlled. Razor bumps are caused by irritated hair follicles, which get worse if your stubble is not soft to start with before shaving. So using warm water can help that stubble be more soft, and that way when you are using a razor, it can cut through very easily, and also damp skin is easy to trim. And now talking about razors, it seems like the number of blades offered on the disposable razors are increasing every year. And according to dermatologists, just like the abrasive soaps, these multi-blade razors, they sometimes work too well. So they do shave close, but sometimes too close, which results in razor bumps and burns. To avoid all of that, invest in a good quality razor, 1 to 2 blades, or get an electric razor which is apparently more gentle on your skin, and stop pulling your skin and use a gentle chemical-free shaving gel which can help take the friction off between the razor and the skin, and hence no burns and less ingrowth hair. Tip number 2 will be check the ingredients on the products. So guys, most of the time are more concerned about products which are gonna make their beard softer or smell better, and it is unfortunately loaded with a lot of chemicals that can strip your skin of the natural oils and irritate it, because fragrance is not good for your skin. So the ingredients to avoid will be fragrance and urea, glycerine, skin drying alcohol. Try and get products which are alcohol free, and look for the word non-comedogenic, which means it's not gonna make your skin have breakouts. Normally, you know, if it's gonna irritate your skin, with non-comedogenic products, the chances are that it's not gonna encourage acne as much. So the ingredients to consider: salicylic acid is a really good ingredient to look into your products. It can act like a pre-shave exfoliant, which will take the dead skin off your pores from the surface of the skin, and it will result in a cleaner shave and also reduce any damage and redness that you might be experiencing. It's also anti-inflammatory and it has antioxidants. Next ingredient will be benzoyl peroxide, which battles the bacteria that causes bumps, but be sure to patch test it first, because it is a little bit stronger. So if your skin is sensitive, you definitely need to patch test like a smaller area around your neck or chin to see how it is reacting on your skin. Next ingredient would be retinol, which is vitamin A. It is one of the best ingredients for both women and men, and it actually helps any premature aging to stop, and also smooths the fine lines, plumps your skin up. It is like the best of the best, so definitely worth including in your skincare routine. And another one will be exfoliating. Exfoliating your skin is the sure shot way of reducing ingrowth hair on your face, on your body. So invest in a good physical exfoliant, which is milder and more effective and active when it comes to skincare. You can use those grainy physical ones for your body. Use it twice a day, and that is gonna improve your skin a lot. Tip number 3 will be clean your face. Pretty basic, yeah? But it's not as simple as just splashing water on your face and assuming it is clean. You need to thoroughly clean your face with a nice, gentle cleanser, not those soaps. Please stop using those soaps on your body and your face. They are just ruining your skin, and you need to use something which is more gentle. So using warm water to open your pores, and then using some cold water at the end to seal the process, because our skin can accumulate a lot of bacteria and germs throughout the day, and oil, which can clog the pores and cause breakouts and other skin issues. So make sure you are washing your face twice a day, in the morning and before going to bed, and patting it dry very softly. Don't rub your face. It's not gonna clean your skin. It's only gonna give you wrinkles and make your skin extra dry and itchy and a lot more issues. Tip number 4, repair the skin and moisturize. So dry skin is not clean skin. Our skin goes through a lot during the day, and we are exposed to harsh chemicals. So we need to put a protective barrier on the skin, which gives us moisture and keeps it hydrated throughout the day and night. So an antioxidant serum like vitamin C or any hydrating serum, hyaluronic acid under your moisturizer, or if you don't want to do that many steps, because I know guys would not love to do several beauty steps unlike us women. So the easiest thing will be just wash your face, apply a serum, and then put your sunscreen or moisturizer or a shaving cream. At night time, apply a shaving cream or moisturizer. And in the morning you can apply a moisturizing sunscreen, and that will do the deal. And don't forget an under eye cream, because that is the place which is more delicate compared to the other skin on the face. This is the most delicate skin, and you need to be looking after it, because you can easily start seeing the first signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles, if you're not taking care of them. So that is a very good thing to do in the morning and night to make sure that we are not inviting premature aging signs on our face. Tip number 5 and the last one will be sun protection. Wearing an SPF every single day This is the most vital part of a skincare routine. Under no circumstance you should be skipping this step. You can skip the serum, you can skip the moisturizer on some days if you don't feel like or you're in a rush, but at least apply that sunscreen at 30 SPF or higher is better. And sun is causing a lot of damage to our skin, and we know that, but sometimes we just neglect it. So it is accelerating aging process and the obvious risk of skin cancer. So the best is not to avoid it. It's just one step, and trust me, if you do this, all the other steps that you're doing are worthwhile. But if you miss this, everything else is of no use. But when it comes to sunscreen, there is one ingredient that you should be avoiding, which is oxybenzone. It is very commonly found in most of the sunscreens, especially in the drugstore ones and also some of the higher end ones. So opt for a physical sunscreen or some sunscreens which don't have oxybenzone, because even though it protects our skin from the UV rays, it can seep through the dermal layers of the skin and spread in our body, which is not that great for us. So that's it. These are the basic steps that you need to follow when you start your day and end your day. And once you keep doing these every day, they might feel very effortless and very worth the effort. So remember the three main points that I mentioned: clean, protect, and moisturize. It's not that much of a hassle, so no excuses. Hopefully you found these tips helpful, and if you are gonna include these in your everyday life, I'm very sure they will improve your skin drastically. Of course, other factors do play an important role, like your lifestyle choices, smoking, alcohol, not getting enough sleep, living a very stressful life, or eating a lot of sugar, eating a lot of oily food. So those are the things that you need to be looking into. I will leave it here, but if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I would be more than happy to reply back and help. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Take care, stay safe.